अवघड वाटतंय आता, पण बोर पण झाले ना. ओके, आता आपण जरा फन बघूया ट्रिग्नोमेट्री मध्ये. लेट अस सी सम फन इन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. काय आहे फन बघूया. बघा बरं, ट्रायंगल ABC. Angle B is 90 degree. Angle C, nickname is theta. Okay. Now what is sin theta? It is AB upon AC. Okay. Now what is cosec theta? It is AC upon AB. Now if we multiply sin theta and cosec theta, sin theta multiplied by cosec theta is equal to AB upon AC into AC upon AB. What is the answer? Yes, correct. It is 1. So sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Therefore, we write sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, or cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Very simple. Sin theta and cosec theta are opposite of each other. Okay. Now let us see cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is BC upon AC. Right? Now what is sec theta? Sec theta is AC upon BC. Multiply. Cos theta multiplied by sec theta is equal to BC upon AC multiplied by AC upon BC. What is the answer? Yes, 1. So cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. That is the answer. Similarly, we get tan theta multiplied by cot theta is equal to 1. You can find out the answer. Okay. Now let us see some fun again with the complementary angle. What is a complementary angle? Do you remember? What is a complementary angle? If the sum of the angles of two angles is 90 degree, then those two angles are called as complement of each other. एकमेकांचे भाऊ आहेत म्हणून they are complement of each other. Okay. So how to find out that they are complement? Let us see triangle ABC again. Angle B is 90 degree. So what we do? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. We know that sum of the angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Yes, very good. So angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. Therefore angle A plus angle B, that is 90 degree, plus angle C, nickname is theta. So what is our next equation? Angle A plus 90 plus theta is equal to 180. Now we will find out angle A is equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90. Theta will come on the right hand side, therefore it is 90 minus theta. Therefore angle A is what? 90 minus theta. So angle A is 90 minus theta, angle B is 90 degree and angle C is theta. Therefore angle A and angle C are complement of each other. Okay. काटकोन त्रिकोणामध्ये किंवा कुठल्याही दोन अँगलची, दोन कोनांची बेरीज जेव्हा 90 अंश होते तेव्हा त्यांना काय म्हणायचं? कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल म्हणायचं. ओके. आता बघूया आपण काय मजा आहे या कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगलची. बघा बरं, साइन थीटा म्हणजे काय येणार? साइन थीटाच्या ऑपोजिटची साइड काय? AB आणि हायपोटेन्यूज आहे AC. So sin theta is equal to AB upon AC. Now let us see what is cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta, angle A. So cos of 90 minus theta is AB upon AC. So what you get? Sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. So sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Now let us see cos theta. What is cos theta? It is BC upon AC. Very good. Now what is sin of 90 minus theta? Sin of 90 minus theta is BC upon AC. So what we get? Cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. Similarly, we get tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta and cot theta is equal to tan of 90 minus theta. Very simple. So these are the ratios of complementary angles. That is the fun with complementary angle. Now we have seen lot of formulas, identities, ratios. Then how to solve the sum? Yes, we will come there. Suppose you have given sin theta is equal to 7 upon 25 and we have to find out cos theta and tan theta. How you will find out? Consider a triangle. Triangle ABC. Angle C is what? Theta. Yes, correct. What is given? Sin theta is 7 upon 25. What is sin theta? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Therefore, it is opposite side, that is AB is 7 and hypotenuse AC is 25. Very good. Now you have to find out BC. How you will find out? Yes, very good. Pythagoras theorem. So apply Pythagoras theorem. Fatapat. So what is BC? Yes, BC will be 24. Correct. So now in triangle ABC, angle inside AB is 7, side BC is 24 and side AC is 25. Then how you will write cos theta? Tell me. Very good. 24 upon 25. Correct. How you will write tan theta? You will write tan theta 7 upon 25. Got it? Yes. This is one method to solve the sums. That is called as a triangle method. The second method is what? Using trigonometric identities. त्रिकोणमितीच्या आयडेंटिटीज वापरून आपण रेशोज काढू शकतो, गुणोत्तर काढू शकतो. कसं काय ते बघा. ओके. What is the identity? First identity, do you remember? Yes, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. What is the value of sin theta given? 7 upon 25. So write down in place of sin square theta. So it will be 7 upon 25, the whole bracket square, plus cos square theta is equal to 1. What is the square of 7? It is 49, correct. What is the square of 25? It is 625. Remember children, you have to remember the squares up to 30. When you are in 10th standard, you have to remember the squares up to 30. So, it will be 49 upon 625 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now you have to solve the equation. Very simple. How to solve? Cos square theta is equal to 1. This 49 upon 625 will come on the right hand side. So that will be minus 49 upon 625. Solve the fraction. Fraction, subtraction. Very simple. What is the answer? So cos square theta is equal to 576 upon 625. Now we have to take the square root. So that will be cos theta is equal to, what is the square root of 576? It is 24, correct. And what is the square root of 625? It is 25. So cos theta is equal to 24 upon 25. Very good. Now how to find out tan theta? So tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So what is sin theta value? It is 7 upon 25 upon 24 upon 20. So this 25 will get cancelled. Then what is tan theta? It is equal to 7 upon 25. 7 upon 24. So that's the answer. Now we will do the next sum. 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equal to 0. Then find out the value of sec theta. How to find out? The equation is given. 5 sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equal to 0. You have to solve the equation. How to solve? We will write 5 sec theta on the left hand side is equal to 12 cosec theta. So now on the left hand side sec theta will keep as it is, and from right side we take cosec theta. So it will come in the denominator. So sec theta upon cosec theta. And this sec theta छेद cosec theta is equal to, on the right hand side, it will be 12 upon 5. Then what is sec theta? It is 1 upon cos theta. Upon, what is cosec theta? It is 1 upon sin theta. Is equal to 12 upon 5. Now how to write down this? So sin theta is denominator of denominator. छेदाच्या छेदस्थानी आहे म्हणून आपण तो काय करणार? वर्ग. So it will be sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 12 upon 5. So tan theta is equal to 12 upon 5. So what we get? Tan theta is equal to 12 upon 5. Now you can find out sec theta either by triangle method or by identity. So I will do by identity because it is easier. How to do? Which is the second identity we did? Do you remember? Yes. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So we know the value of tan theta. What is the value of tan theta? It is 12 upon 5. So 1 plus 12 upon 5 the whole square is equal to sec square theta. So 1 plus, what is the square of 12? 144 upon 25 is equal to sec square theta. So you can solve this fraction addition. How to do? What is the LCM? लसावी काय आहे? 25. So the answer will be 25 plus 144 upon 25 is equal to sec square theta. So it will be 169 upon 25 is equal to sec square theta. What is 169 square root? 13. What is square root of 25? It is 5. So we want to take the sec square theta by square. How to take? So it will be sec theta is equal to 13 upon 5. What the answer of sec theta? 13 upon 5. Simple. You can do by triangle method if you want. Try it.